What's up, YouTube? Craig Blaze coming at you from Evergreen. I'm gonna do my first solo ice fishing trip of the year. Usually get a couple of these in every year. Haven't had a chance to do one yet. Here we are. So we're gonna get out there. We're gonna get on some little fish. Alright guys, so we're gonna start off in this 10 or 11 foot range over here. This thing definitely needs to be replaced. Yeah, let's get it. Alright, there's hole number one. Set up dead stick rod, and I'll get the second hole drilled. Alright, so we start off a little jig and a piece of butterworm. Try to keep the reel out of the snow so it doesn't freeze. I've had that problem plenty of times. I find one of these nice little fat butterworms. I'm gonna stick him on tail first and leave his head wiggling around. There you go. Butterworm and jig. We're gonna drop that down the bottom. I like to pull it out of the spool instead of opening the bail. Yeah, looks like we're on bottom there. Let's set this up and we're gonna drill our second hole. Right next to it. Alright guys, my 2 holes punched. I'll get this set up here. I'm just gonna double jig it now. Alright guys, got the first one. There we go. Just your average size. Fucking evergreen rainbow right here, about 8 or 9 inches. I think I'm gonna probably end up taking this guy for a meal, even though he's a little on the small side. There's no size limit here, but there is a limit of 4 per day, so let's fucking dig out of him. Come on, buddy. Jesus, he fucking got that thing good. The worm fucking guts all over me. There we go. There's one. Salmon egg ain't getting no love. Using Justin's reel. He likes to use this high vis line. I should have put a leader on this, because it's definitely that low vis line leader or a fluorocarbon leader helps on the hookup ratio for sure, getting more bites. But this stuff, it works great in deeper water for sure. The little tractor out there, thick enough for that for sure. So got the ice skating rink over there. Not too many people out today. It is a Thursday. Got the lake pretty much to myself. Bite's definitely not on right now. I've been here for about 25-30 minutes. Got that one fish so far. But you never know. That when they move in, they move in. I'll have trouble running 2 poles if they do. Oh, there we go. Skinny guy. Long, skinny. Whoa. This thing got fucked up at one point. Well, that's number 2. Keep that guy too. He's definitely got some going on with him. And yeah, hopefully we could limit out in the next like 20-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna get the fuck out of here back to my warm ass home to go take some dabs. A couple on the ice, it's not too bad. Oh, there he is. This one's definitely worth taking. So we're getting into them. I mean, these aren't the biggest fish. These are like 10 or 11 inch fish. But it's not too many big ones in here. The place is definitely highly pressured. So pretty much whether I take these fish or not, they're gonna get eaten pretty quick. Let's see what time it is. We started fishing around 3 o'clock. It is 4:05. Oh, there's another fish. Oh, I missed him. Totally missed him. Swing and a miss. Oh god, everything's tangled up. Oh god. On the edge of his lip, I felt it pull it out. I'll probably have to rebait after that one. Got him. Let's throw this guy back. Oh, come on. Don't have to tangle with everything, homie. Other fish are like, where the fuck do he gonna go back to fuck? Yep, it's an unfucking fair world. Alright, got another worm on, drop back down, see how fast until we get another one. Just getting that all the way down to the bottom. As soon as it goes slack, you know you're there. Pull up, reel up a little, and you're jigging off bottom. Like I said, we're about 11 feet of water. I've fished this lake several times. This area is pretty flat. Behind me is all the way flat, all the way to the other side. And then we got some pretty steep banks on the edge. So it's pretty much just a big old bowl. But I like this area. There's a creek inlet coming in right there. There's a piece of land there, piece of land there. I'm right in the center of that. Oh, just got another tap. Oh, there he is. Okay, guys, I'm on it. So that's like number 6. And kept 3. This will be the 3rd release. Definitely need to pick up the pliers, make that a little easier. Yeah, we're on the hot spot. I think the other one probably lost its worm. But like I said, this one's not going to get as many hits. That's because it's high vis line compared to this low vis line. And deeper you go, the less it matters. But in this 10-11 foot of water range, and clear water definitely makes a difference. Alright, we'll save the little guy for the other rig. Get rid of all the sawdust. We're going to use this guy right here. I think the other one just got hit. So we'll drop this down. Say within the next 30 seconds we're going to be getting bit again. Pay attention to the line, guys. You'll see it when it goes slack and hit bottom. There it is. Slack line. Pull up. It's tight again. Reel in a little. I'm gonna check this other rig. Oh, did I get bit already? I might have. Check this other rig. Oh, yeah, I definitely get bit. Yep. There he is. Number 7. It's decent. On the skinny side though. Jeez. These guys are little scrappers for sure. I'm telling you, they're loving this fucking combo right here. That was later than it was. Definitely stay a bit longer. I fucking finished off this whole thing of worms. Look at that. Gross. Big old fatty. Hopefully this is going to attract beast. Doesn't have to be on there very pretty, guys. Give it a little squeeze. Give it a little worm spooge. Just got hit. Oh, missed him. Oh, missed him. I'm missing him left and right now. Come on, double up. Same time. Come on. Oh, I'm stuck on this again. Got him. That might be my last keeper right there. Oh. This one, like 11 or 12. Not too bad, not too bad. Yep, it's been this one rod getting all the action. It's 8 fish on it compared to none. Even though the other one's getting bites. I'm telling you, it's that line that makes a difference. Alright guys, I'm gonna give it probably about 15 more minutes. Got my limit. I'm cold. And yeah, it's been pretty decent. I got 8 in like an hour and a half. So 15 to 30 minutes and I'm out. Very, very light bite. Came back for like hitting this pole right now. I don't think it caught it, but camera's pretty much dead. Out of here. I stayed for a little extra long back into a blizzard.